Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into Casa Crypto Wallet, which is a premium wallet that is designed to provide enhanced security for your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So if you are thinking of using it, stay tuned for an in-depth review that will cover all its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. So, Casa Wallet is a multi-signature decentralized wallet that aims to provide top-tier security for your cryptocurrency holdings. It's specially designed to protect Bitcoin users with easy-to-use features that enhance privacy and safeguard against theft or loss. Casa is known for its focus on security and user control, making it go-to option for serious crypto holders. Now, if I talk about some of its features, so Casa uses a multi-signature setup, meaning multiple private keys are required to authorize the transactions. This dramatically reduces the risk of losing your crypto through hacking or lost keys. Casa offers a 3 of 5 multi-signature option where you control 3 keys and other 2 are held by Casa's recovery partners. With Casa, you have complete control over your funds. The wallet allows you to manage your private keys securely with no third-party access. This gives users peace of mind knowing their assets aren't controlled by any other exchange or third-party services. Casa offers an innovative recovery system. So if you lose access to your wallet, you can restore it through a combination of multi-signature keys and Casa's encrypted backup system. So Casa is tailored with specially for Bitcoin, so you won't find support for a wide range of altcoins. It's perfect for the users who are focused on Bitcoin's long-term value and security. For users seeking even more security, Casa offers the option to set up a Casa node which connects to the Bitcoin and the Lightning network. This adds another layer of privacy and control, letting you participate in the decentralized ecosystem directly from your phone. So these were some of the features of the Casa wallet, and you can even include them in the pros. But let's just talk about some of the drawbacks of the Casa wallet. So Casa is focused solely on Bitcoin, as I said earlier, limiting its use for the users with another cryptocurrencies. Casa services come with a subscription fee, which may not be ideal for all the users. Due to its advanced security features, it may take some time for the beginners to fully understand how to use Casa effectively. But I will create a detailed tutorial on using Casa wallet. So I will show you everything that you need to know about it. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And you can also do let me know that you want that video and I will create it as soon as possible. So in my final thoughts, Casa wallet is an excellent choice for the Bitcoin enthusiasts who value security and privacy above all. Its multi-signature setup and the self-custody features makes it one of the most secure wallets available in the 2025. However, the Bitcoin only focus and premium pricing may not appeal to the casual users or those with a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies. So if you are serious about safeguarding your Bitcoin, Casa wallet is a fantastic choice. But if you are looking for something more versatile or budget friendly, you might want to consider alternatives. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.